Welcome to the Project Management System. Let us discuss the features of Project Management System. Track project from planning, execution to completion. Physical and financial progress. Geotag Integration. Project level notes maintenance. Solution for all types of projects. Now let's visit the site. Enter www.gmcpms.in in browser. Enter your user ID and password. And click on Login. After login, it will redirect you to the dashboard page. The dashboard that appears once logged into the system shows the active window for all projects. There are tabs for New Project, Current Projects, and Finished Project, besides the active tab of All Projects. There are options for Mark as Complete, Edit Project and Delete Project. Displays the current projects. Clicking on any project will lead to the project's details page. There are options for Mark as Complete, Edit Project and Delete Project. To mark as Complete Project, the actual end date needs to be updated. Displays the finished projects. Clicking on any project will lead to the project's details page. Filter property. We can filter and search a distinct project by finding by its name or a part of its name. The tab New Project allows the user to add new projects. In the New Project Creation window, the user can add the project title, estimated cost, project type, contractor, source of fund, work order number, engineer, tender amount, description, and actual start date. After the necessary details are filled up, the user can click on the Save button to store the details. Once the project is added, it will redirect you to the window of current projects. Click on the respective project to display its details. Delete property. We can directly click on the three dots besides every project. Among the three options, selecting the Delete Project button will lead to the deletion of the project permanently. Confirmation message will pop up. Project Details View. If we open a project by clicking in the dashboard, then it will show all the details of the project. In the tab bar, there are many other tabs for other details of the project. Geotag Integration. Tight integration between GMC systems, PMS to Geotag and vice versa. Can get Geotag project directly. Edit details. Clicking on the Edit button will lead to this page. Status of the project. This tab records the actual status of the project. If the status is completed, the actual end date is to be provided by the engineer. Once the project is set to be complete, no one except the admin can do any edit. Project details and financials editable by authorized users. Cost disbursement. Project disbursements are captured and presented. Disbursement information are presented as visual graph, percentage bar. Below the page there is a place where the engineer can update new disbursement with the date, or delete any old disbursements. Physical progress. Project's physical progress is reported and presented. Project progress percentage are presented as visual graph, percentage bar. Below the page there is a place where the engineer can update new progress percentage with the date, or delete any old progress information. Project Document Repository. Project Document Management System, DMS, receive, track, manage, store documents and reduce paper. Go green. Self-service by engineers. Project Document Repository, CANT. Documents unloadable from device. Image upload. Digital images of a project are stored by uploading their scanned images. Image upload. Screen images can be uploaded from any device. Image captions can be given. The later image shows how it looks. Notes on project files. Notes between officials can be maintained in the tool. Notes provider and timeline captured. History of notes at fingertips. Notes on file can be added by authorized users. User manual / reset password / sign out. In the top right corner, clicking on the user's photo, three options appear. They are User Manual, Reset Password option, and Sign Out option. Thank you.